Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video I am showing you how I do my DIY lash extensions. I swear I probably did this within 30 minutes. It could have been shorter if I wasn't trying to film it for you guys, but it's super easy and they just look really good. They last about 3 to 4 weeks depending on if you do eyeshadow or not and how you clean your face. If you guys want to learn how to do your own DIY lash extensions and save some money, because I'm not gonna say I'm cheap, because I love to like treat myself to nice things, but in order for me to treat myself to nice things, I have to cut corners in some places, and like waxing myself, doing my own lashes myself is where I can cut corners. So if you guys want to cut some corners with me, then keep on watching and I will see you in the next one. Off with the products that we use, I use the Duo Dark Lash Glue and I got mine from Amazon and it was only $10. For tweezers, I use my Anastasia Beverly Hills black tweezers. These tweezers to me are like my all-time favorite tweezers. They don't get dull. I've had these for a really long time. They're just bomb. You're gonna need a little spoolie just to brush through all your hairs, Q-tips to clean your lashes. And then for the lashes itself, I use the Ardell individual lashes. I happen to use the style in double up and I use them in a different couple of lengths. I use long, medium, and shorts, but for the most part, you're gonna need a whole pack of long because that's what you're gonna use on your entire eye. And into cleaning our lashes, so you're just gonna take your 2 Q-tips with a little bit of water on them just to brush through each hair to make sure you don't have any makeup or anything like that. I did do this with the full face of makeup on. Normally I would want to do this without makeup on my face just to ensure that your lashes are 100% clean, because this also helps with the lash glue sticking. But since I was recording this, I didn't want to do a bare face because you know my skin not flawless like most girls. But now I'm just going to take the long Ardell lashes. This is the glue. You could use a jade stone, but since this is like the ratchet version, I'm going to use a Gatorade top and I just squeeze a little bit of it. And then I am going to dip the lash cluster into the hair. So when you're dipping it into the glue, try and keep it on the top part of the lash and not the bottom part of the lash, just a little bulb at the end. And this helps because you don't want to get the glue underneath the bulb of the hair. You want to get it on the top, because how I apply my lashes, I apply them under my lashes instead of on top. I've done it a couple of ways before, but to me the best results in my opinion is going under. It gives you a fuller look, and if you are trying to put on eyeshadow, you don't get all of the eyeshadow fallout on top of your lashes that just sit there, so you get a little bit more wear out of it from putting it under. And while I'm putting it under, I'm placing it right on top of my hair. So you don't want to put it on your eye skin, you want to put it on your hair. So the exact same way you would do it if you were approaching it from the top part, you would just be approaching it from underneath your lashes. If this does not make sense, you guys, all you really have to do is just watch what I'm doing, and I'm literally just placing them underneath my lashes. When it comes to placement with my lashes, I start off with the longest length and I start off at the outer corner of my eye. I place that one down and then I go in right next to it with a long one as well, and I do that all the way until I get to right before I get to my inner corner, because I don't like to place long ones at my inner corner because they will poke you. So I go down to a medium size or even a short size length lash, depending on your actual length of your lashes. So I take mediums and I put 2 cluster of mediums on my inner corners, and then I go back in. Once I have that entire row full of length and the 2 inner corners of mediums, I go in with my medium length lashes to fill in between each long length lash that I do have. And that's going to give you the fuller effect without giving you too much weight on your lashes. And this is all I do. These lashes last me up to a full month. You want to avoid putting oil on your eyes because it will loosen up the glue, but other than that, you have lashes.